कनेक्शन दे रहे सेम जाना सेम.
It all started. I was an army cadet at the NDA, Pune, and being in the army was my dream, and I was working really hard for it. I had my entire life planned, but life has its way, and in 2017, a severe back injury ended my career in the army. And when that happened, I was in the hospital bed for 45 days, and that was a time wherein I was told that my career in the army is over because I'm permanently unfit to continue. And I remember after that, post that injury, I went through some mental health issues because you're never prepared for anything like that. So I was diagnosed with depression and PTSD, something that it's a journey, it goes on. Initially when that happened, I thought I'm the only one who's suffering, but then I looked around and I saw and I went to the statistics and I realized that in India is the most depressed country when it comes to the adolescent mental health bracket, and we lose 28 students to suicide every day, which is a big number, right? And if you compare with these different countries, India is terrible. And the ground level reality, although I look around in social media, we have a lot of hashtags going on and so many people try talking about mental health, but it all stays online. There's no policy change, there's nothing on the ground. The reality is abysmal. And then I realized something needs to be done about it. Even I have been very active towards mental health awareness, I do online campaigns and all of that, but I couldn't see a ground level change. I couldn't pick up a random kid from the block and I could expect him to know about mental health, right? Most of them know about physical health and all of that. So while I was thinking of all of this, while I've been active on mental health awareness for the past 2-3 years, I realized that a change needs to be within the system, right? It needs to be inculcated in something that can reach out to every person, right? When we do social media activism, more than 50% of Indian population does not have a phone, does not have an internet. So how does mental health awareness reaches out to them? And if you ask what's mental health is basically your mental well-being. There are different things attached to it. You have your connection, your relationship with your peers, your relationship with yourself, your social well-being, your emotional well-being, right? The value system and all of that. It all comes under the broader spectrum of mental health. And while we all talk about physical health, nobody talks about mental health. There's so much of stigma attached to mental health. The moment you ask anyone to visit a counselor, the first thing they tell is that, oh, I'm not crazy, right? Or there's nothing wrong with me. Because we've been conditioned in that way to look at mental illness or mental health issues as something that's bad. And this stigma needs to be broken, because unless you break that stigma, nobody's going to do something about it. So I did a lot of research on this and I tried to figure out different ways how do I make the maximum impact. That's when I realized that education is something that it reaches out to most of the people in India, regardless of if it's an urban space or a rural space, and education can spread out everywhere. And then I looked at the NEP 2020. I'm glad that they've mentioned mental health, but the thing is they've not mentioned it enough. And it's basically like out of 5, they mentioned 2 on 5, but you have to hit a 5 on 5, especially after COVID, when the rates of depression, the rates of suicide have skyrocketed, right? COVID is a time, a lot of things have been hit by COVID. It is a tough time, but the mental state of not only teenagers, but everyone in India right now, it's hit globally, right? So it's important that right now is the time that we deal with mental health issues. And the new national education policy is out, and I really appreciate the policy, but it's incomplete. It needs to deal with a lot of other things as well. So that's when the idea of a petition came in, and the idea of a curriculum came in. And I realized that in India, you have to train these kids, you have to educate these kids from the school level. You have to sensitize them towards a lot of these issues, the basic issues, and how to approach for help, how to seek out for help. Just to tell them in a layman term that it's okay to have problems, it's okay to not be okay, and it's totally okay to go ahead and talk to people about it.